Who's this bitch? What am I doing here? No, wait, no! Well, you're under arrest for being a little bitch!
Oh boy, what a good day!
You too!
But why? You bitch! You bitch! 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 I don't think bitch!
Thanks a lot, guys.
Yeah, there is no problem, right, Scoops?
Oh, look, an apple.
Time to shoot!
Away, bitch!
Chaka chaka
You know they can hear us, right?
We need to be quiet!
The pawpaw! The pawpaw! The pawpaw! The pawpaw! The pawpaw!
We're gonna need reinforcements.
Look what you did! Why are you screaming?
Just go and get them! I just wanted to say thanks for the information. They got him!
Chaka-pa! Chaka-pa! Pa-pa-pa-pa-pa! Oh, is this piss? No! It's piss!
Right, baby. That's it. You're under arrest. Turn around and put your hands up.
While you sleep, Captain, I can do it because my mama doesn't want it.
Oh my god.
Give us another time, Elsa! Give us a time!
Hey guys, have you heard about everyone that I know is bad? I told this on the internet, it's not a lie!
Oh no! Captain, where's my sword? Wait a minute, what is...
See, Captain, you can't do anything about it.
Alright, baby. Stop wasting my time.
Alright, Captain, let's see if you have much time to
Catch me!
I'll do it, boss.
Shoot him all! Shoot him all! Shoot him all!
I did it! I did it! What you have done? I should... but I should... But I should... But I thought I...
Here's the exit!
Here's the exit. Hey! Don't let them get away!
Captain, I got one!
Gerald, watch out! Whoa, stop screaming. Serious.
Captain! They're getting away!
What now? Hi, guys. Just stop screaming. What do you want, ma'am?
They have math!
Right guys, I heard that. You have math?
No! I need it!
Oh, I feel sad. Oh.
What about this guy? He looks like he has a lot of math.
Oh no! That's Dylan's tumor, he's dead! Oh!
Oh, if you need math here, you have some mine. If you want more, ask the guy over there. He has the good shit.
Thank you, Mr. Policeman.
Yeah, no problem. Hey, what the hell are you doing outside?
And none of your business.
my God, Captain! It's a homeless!
Homeless? And what the hell are you doing outside your house?
Wait! Emma!
It's Christmas? Oh, Captain! Get away from me, Captain! Get away from me! My eye!
If you can't catch them tonight, then you will be replaced by them! What's wrong, ma'am? What's wrong?
These people are being heroines.
You mean heroes? Oh my God! I love superheroes! Please sign my gun.
Yes,
Bye! Bye! Thank you again, superheroes! Stoosh! What's wrong, ma'am? What's wrong?
There's a crocodile in the street! Kill it!
Ma'am, are you blind? Are you dumbass? That's an alligator.
Yeah, come on, it's an alligator. What?
I'm an alligator,
No. Pretty funny, huh? Well, now you're gonna be dead!
Hey, ma'am, you can't do that, ma'am. Boom! That's it, ma'am. You're under arrest. Oh, look at the time. Look at it. I gotta go. I gotta do a lot of work.